Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be teaching you how to clean your Xbox One controller. Alright, so if you have controller issues with the sticky buttons or your analog stick is drifting to the left, drifting to the right, anywhere, I'm going to be showing you how to perfectly make your controller from really dirty to really good pristine condition. I've had my controllers for 2 years. I've been taking care of them. I've had this one for 2 years and it lasted a very long time, still lasting a very long time. I take care of my controllers really well, and you should too. That way you can not have to buy another controller because they're pretty expensive. All you need is isopropyl alcohol. You can get this pretty much anywhere, at a gas station or CVS pharmacy, anywhere like that. You need a microfiber cloth or anything to clean the controller afterwards, to dry it or what else. You need a toothbrush to get deep cleaning, cotton swab or cotton ball, and a toothpick, which is basically optional, but I don't have one right now. But we're gonna start off with a base clean with a cotton swab. So just dip the alcohol on the cotton swab, and then you're gonna go ahead and just put a light coat of alcohol onto the controller, and then just get everywhere around the buttons, everything like that. Just a light coat, nothing too hard onto the controller, just a light coat, nothing heavy. Just go everywhere. Oh yeah, take out the batteries if you have batteries, but I don't care. So I'm just gonna clean over it. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean everywhere, just everywhere. Don't forget the LB and RB buttons. These are pretty mandatory. Not a lot of people forget them, but LB and RB buttons, trigger buttons, make sure you get those too. So yeah, once you get that, you're going to go ahead and proceed to the next step. You're going to want to get your toothbrush or cotton swab, whichever works best. You can probably do the cotton swab to get even closer to like harder to get areas, but I prefer a toothbrush since it has better cleaning. So you're just going to dip it into the isopropyl alcohol, and what you're going to do is just, hold on. You're gonna just clean over the buttons, just like really clean that, and then you're gonna get underneath the analog sticks. So just clean in one area and then move it, clean in another area, move it. Do it on the side as well, like put the toothbrush or something on the side, so you can also get that side as well. Right here underneath, like in between, I guess. So just get everywhere, clean the analog sticks, clean the D-pad, clean just everything, clean underneath. Just move the analog stick slowly, and then once you're done and you clean everything, just move around the analog sticks like crazy. Make sure the alcohol just soaks into the controller. It won't damage any electrical components unless you drop a lot, but just don't put a lot. But just tap every button really fast. Just tap them all. This makes it so that the alcohol just goes through and just cleans it all. Just tap them all. Also, don't forget the RB and LB buttons. That's very important. Don't forget the triggers. Just in between this gap here, just clean that, and then go just clean the rest. That's pretty much it. Once you got that, you're pretty much done. Just clean the rest of it, I guess. And yeah, and last but not least, this part's optional, but you can get a toothpick and just go around the ridges right here and get out the gunk and dirt, and whatever. So yeah, you can just get that just with your nail or whatever, anything. I mean, don't do it with your nail, it's pretty nasty. But yeah, just do however you want. I could pretty much do it with this unboxing knife here. Just however you want. If you want, that part's optional. It doesn't really matter though, because it's not really into anything. But yeah, that's pretty much how to keep your controllers clean, take away sticky buttons, as well as the analog sticks from keeping them in pristine condition. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, of course, subscribe. It'll help my channel a lot. I'm trying to hit 1K subscribers in the next few months. Thank you guys for watching.